In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your PS5 controller to your PC and play Steam games using it. It's a simple process that will only take a few minutes of your time, and by the end you'll be all set to dive into your favourite games with the controls you love. First things first, you'll need to open up your Steam app. If you don't have Steam installed yet on your PC, you'll need to download and install it from the official website. Once you have it open, you'll see a login option right there on the main screen. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not logged into your account already, simply enter your account name and password into the login fields. Don't forget to double check your entries to avoid any errors. It's always a pain having to reset a password or troubleshoot login issues when all you want to do is play some games. After entering your details, click on sign in. Now with your Steam account successfully opened, you'll be on the home page. From here, move your cursor to the top left corner of the screen, find the word Steam and click on it to reveal a drop down menu. From this menu, you'll need to select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look down the list on the left side and click on Controller. In the controller settings, you'll find an option for PlayStation configuration support. Click this to enable it. What this does is allow Steam to recognize and configure your PS5 controller correctly. It's crucial because it tells Steam how to communicate with your device, especially if you want to enjoy the full suite of buttons and touchpad functionality your controller offers. Now, it's time to physically connect your PS5 controller to your PC. You have two options here, using a USB-C cable or connecting wirelessly via Bluetooth. For the USB option, simply plug one end into the controller and the other end into an available USB port on your computer. If you opt for Bluetooth, make sure your computer's Bluetooth is turned on. Open the Bluetooth settings, press and hold the PS and create button on your controller until the light starts flashing, indicating it's in pairing mode. Then select the controller from the list of available devices. Once your PS5 controller is connected, whether by wire or wirelessly, you're almost done. Steam should recognize it right away and the controller settings should pop up. Here you can calibrate the controller according to your preferences. Calibration allows you to fine-tune the controller to ensure optimal performance and responsiveness during gameplay. And that's it, you're all set to enjoy Steam games with your PS5 controller. Thanks for watching and happy gaming. P.